Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an unboxing of Belkin AC1900 router. This is a Wi-Fi dual band Gigabit router, and as you know, lately I bought some Alexa devices as Echo Show 2 and Echo Spot, and now I've been having a little bit of trouble using my provider wireless modem. So I bought this one to make my network to work a little bit easier and to move all these devices on this router. And my modem, who gets the internet from my provider, will be connected to my PS4 and to my TV only, and all the wireless devices as phone, tablets, Alexa devices, printers, it will be connected on this Wi-Fi. So let's start opening the box to see what's inside. Before I open the box, I'm gonna tell you some specifications. So this router can go up to 600 megabits per second, and it has better range and is fast 4.3 faster than N+. You can have parental control, AC dual band, it's compatible with band N and G, you have gigabit ports, you have USB 3.0 for network sharing. If you have a HDD or flash disk, you have a quality of service, a DLNA compatible media server. In the back here we got some specifications. So it maintains internet connection at greater distances. You get AC Wi-Fi technology, provides a wider and faster network. You got simultaneous dual band speed from 2.5 gig up to 600 megabits per second, the standard band, and you got the media band with 1.3 gigabits per second is the 5 gigahertz band. Of course, you have some instruction how to connect your modem and how to connect your router, and you can use this one with a smartphone and install an app and try to set it up from there. But let's open the box to see what we have inside. As you can see, inside here we got some leaflets and we have a quick installation guide. We have the router and a cable, and you have the passwords here. And you have a UK power brick to power this router. That's all of it inside the box. And now let's take a look at this router. You have a label here, so you can't connect to the power because you have this label and it says to remove it before you utilize. So this now will reveal your power socket. So you got your power socket, your reset button, your USB port and your internet port, and you got 4 LAN ports, gigabit ports. On the back here you have instruction for password, where you can change it later and set it up with your smartphone. So here you got a Belkin router, so you can ease your speed on your provide the modem and to have a flawless network into your house. I hope you like my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more of these videos, and click on the notification bell so you can be notified when I post another video on my channel, and like it and share it on social media. That's all for today, and until next time, I wish you all the best. I hope I see you soon with another video. Bye bye.